Let's use our lands to do farming, because agriculture is the key in one's life. Since we cannot live without food, let's don't leave our lands empty, because agriculture don't only give food, but also people drive money out of it. That is one benefit of agriculture. Land cultivation protect your land from stealing, and you have food and money above all, which makes it more exciting. You have land, start using it from this moment, start making best use of the land. Cultivating in the soil, on the soil, is beyond agriculture. People are now using different stuffs to cultivate, and you start, there's a high possibility for you to progress as a battery charger.